Welcome to the Robinhood Cash Management Account Guide, a comprehensive tutorial designed to help you understand and utilize this valuable financial tool. A cash management account is a type of brokerage account that allows you to manage your cash and investments in one place, offering a range of benefits including high interest rates, low fees, and easy access to your money. To get started with a Robinhood cash management account, you will need to download and install the Robinhood app, then sign up for an account. This process typically takes just a few minutes and requires some basic personal and financial information. Once your account is set up, you can link your bank account and deposit funds into your cash management account. One of the key benefits of a Robinhood cash management account is its high interest rate, which is significantly higher than what you would typically earn with a traditional bank savings account. This means that your money can grow over time, even as you keep it liquid and accessible. Additionally, Robinhood cash management accounts are insured by the Securities Investor Protection Corporation, or SIPC, which protects your investments up to $500,000. In terms of fees, Robinhood cash management accounts are very low cost, with no monthly maintenance fees, no minimum balance fees, and no overdraft fees. You can also use your debit card to make purchases or withdraw cash from an ATM, with no foreign transaction fees. To make the most of your Robinhood cash management account, consider setting up direct deposit to automatically transfer a portion of your paycheck into your account. You can also use the app to track your spending, monitor your account balance, and receive alerts and notifications to help you stay on top of your finances. In conclusion, a Robinhood cash management account is a powerful tool for managing your cash and investments, offering high interest rates, low fees, and easy access to your money. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can set up and start using your account today and begin taking control of your financial future. Remember to always keep your account information secure and to reach out to Robinhood support if you have any questions or need assistance.